VPN provides you with tools and information to help you run your business smoothly.
Your Amazon business just got hit with a seller performance review. Orders are paused, sales are frozen, and you're left wondering what went wrong. Don't panic. This guide walks you through exactly what to do, step by step, so you can respond quickly, submit the right documents, and get back to selling. But before we dive into the action plan, let's quickly cover why Amazon's verification process has gotten stricter and why it matters for your review. If you've been selling for years, you might remember when Amazon account verification was quick and easy. That's no longer the case. As of May 2025, Amazon's verification process includes providing a government-issued photo ID, proof of address or business registration documents, a signed lease agreement and recent utility bill, and a live video with an Amazon rep to verify your documents in real time. These extra steps aren't just for new sellers. They can also be triggered midway through your selling journey by a seller performance review. There are two main reasons for this. Fraud and counterfeit prevention. Amazon's been under pressure to weed out fake sellers, counterfeit products, and identity fraud. Global regulations. Governments are pushing for stricter Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering compliance, meaning Amazon has to verify exactly who's selling and where they're based. The result? Much stricter address requirements and zero tolerance for documentation errors. Step 1. Prepare your documents. First, gather your documents. Don't wait for Amazon to ask. Being proactive saves time. Here's what you should have ready. A scanned, color copy of a utility bill. This can be gas, electricity, water, phone, or internet. Make sure the utility bill is no older than 90 days. If it's in a different language, add an English translation. The name and address on your utility bill must match exactly with your Amazon account information. Even a missing middle initial can trigger rejection. If you're a registered business, you may also need to upload your business license or registration document. So why are address documents a big deal now? Amazon will not accept PO boxes, virtual mailboxes, or most co-working addresses. They're looking for proof of a real, exclusive physical location. If you don't have a traditional lease and utility bill in your business name, a service like TruLease can provide both, along with a dedicated office address that Amazon accepts. With TruLease, you get a unique physical office address, a signed lease agreement in your business's name, a utility bill showing active service at that location, and an optional custom utility setup in your business name. This solves the number one reason sellers fail address verification. Common triggers for seller performance reviews. Seller performance reviews aren't always about fraud. In fact, they're often triggered by everyday changes like reactivating a dormant seller account, upgrading your Amazon selling plan, changing your registered business address, and updating your bank account information. If you recently made one of these updates, you're not alone. It's a routine check, not a punishment. Step 2. Watch for the notification. You'll know you're under review if you see a red notification banner in Seller Central. It'll say your account has been deactivated. Don't ignore it, act fast to shorten the downtime. From there, click View Appeal to begin uploading your documents. Click that alert to go to your account health page. Look for the performance notifications link in blue. This tells you exactly which documents you need to upload. Or go to the top of the menu, to performance notifications. Step 3. Now it's time to upload your documents. Go to your case notification, click View Appeal in the Actions column, upload your utility bill and business license if required. Make sure everything's clear and accurate. Even small mistakes can delay the review. Double check your file format. PDF or JPEG usually works best. Amazon typically responds within 1 to 5 business days, but this can vary. Check your email and notifications daily. Step 4. Prepare for possible video verification. Amazon may ask for a live video call where you show your government ID, display your utility bill and lease agreement, and answer simple questions about your business. Make sure to have all documents ready, be in a quiet, well-lit space, and make sure the text is readable on camera. Step 5. Re-verification can happen again. Even after your account is reinstated, Amazon can request updated documents at any time, sometimes months or years later. Maintaining an ongoing, verifiable physical address will save you future headaches. A seller performance review can feel like a major setback, but it's not the end of your Amazon journey. In most cases, it's just Amazon double-checking your information. If you stay calm, follow the right steps, and upload accurate documents, you'll be back in business, often within just a few days. Familiarize yourself with more Amazon mistakes and watch this video next. Learn more.